As he worked at the door, the noise produced by the attempt was audible inside the apartment, alerting the occupants. That response from inside the building was enough to stop the attempt. He left without having gained entry. In Washington, D.C., a man was recorded in broad daylight attempting to force entry into a residential building using a tool. He was unable to get through the door and eventually left the area. The door frame sustained damage during the attempt that required repair by the building's residents.